sad because I put the music on mute. But I don't want to get done for copyright, Amber. I'm sorry. So, the reason why I'm vlogging today is because, well, I think the title gives it away anyway, but Venomous Python's doing another run. It's another 10k, but it's called the Aberdash Run. And he's doing that with 2 of his brothers this time. But this time we actually might get him in the vlog, I'm not too sure, but... yeah, after that, tonight, we'll be going to my mum's to celebrate bonfire night and my sister's birthday. Yay! And this one will be in a better mood too. So I'll see you guys then.
Some music.
Yay! He won! Kinda.
£10 please. £10.
So after we've been here, we'll be going home for a bit again, and then we'll be going to my mummy. So I'm at my mum's now. We're just about to get ready for fireworks. If you can see Amber.
No,
Jumpy. So we're just waiting for the fireworks.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
Watch it, watch it. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
Wow. Whoa. Hey. Oh wow.
We're back home now. We've been home a while now, we've had tea and everything. So, yeah, we've just come to the end of the day. And we're all tired now. We all had a great day. Very busy. So I'm going to leave it at this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.